Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now we have completed already the arithmetic operators, and now we are going to see what are the relational operators, Boolean operators and string operators. See, these are the arithmetic operators already we have completed. Now we are going to discuss about the relational operators. Normally the relational operators are given in the C programming language are equal to, not equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than equal to, and as well as the lesser than equal to. The same thing in the Linux programming can be represented as hyphen EQ. Okay, hyphen EQ checks the equality of the two numbers, equality between the two numbers. So this is the equal operator. This can be checked as example like this. These are the things, braces we have to use here. Square braces we have to use. $a, the value of the a, hyphen eq equal to $b. Value of a equal to value of b is not true, is true or false. It checks the logical validity of this particular statement, true or false. Okay, so the second one is this is $a equal to $b. Now coming to the not equal to. Not equal checks whether two of the operands are equal or not. Two of the variable operands are equal or not. So if they are not equal, then the condition becomes true. Okay, so $a hyphen not equal $b, then only it will become true. Okay, so like this. Next one, greater than or equal to $a hyphen gt $b. So $a greater than $b, then it is true or not true, depends upon the variable values. Okay, hyphen lesser than means $a lesser than $b, $a greater than or equal to $b, $a lesser than or equal to $b. Like that, greater than or equal to means the greater than $a is greater than $b or not, $a lesser than $b or not, $a greater than or equals to $b or not, $a lesser than or equals to $b or not. Like that, it can specify all the relational operators like this. Whereas in the C, you can write them as equal to, not equal to, greater than. See, like this you can specify in our C programming language like this. See, this is represented as equal to like this, and this is represented as not equal to like this, and greater than or equal to will look like this. In our C programming language I am showing. Lesser than equal to look like this. This can be represented as LT here. Sorry, this is greater than. Okay, not greater than equal to. This is greater than equal to, and this is lesser than equal to. Here equal to will not be there here. Like this. Okay, it can represent various kinds of the operators in the C programming language also available. These can be represented in the shell programming language, the relational operators, checking the relational equality of one operator with another operator, one operand with another operand can be represented like this. So in between two operands, these operators can be used and check the logical validity of relations, logical validity of these operands, the equal or not equal or not, greater than or not, lesser than or not, or greater than equals to or not, or lesser than equals to or not, like this. These are the relational operators. These can be represented like this. These can be used with the if statement. If $a hyphen equal to $b, if $a hyphen not equal to $b, this can be used along with the if statement, then those can be very meaningful. They can be used along with the if, while, for, like this. Okay, so these are the relational operators that are available in our Linux programming language. And now we are going to discuss about the Boolean operators. AND hyphen a can be represented as the AND operator here, that we will write here. This is called as AND. Hyphen a is AND operator. Hyphen o is OR operator. And logical negation, this is called as the negation operator. Okay, and this is called as the negation operator, like this. Okay, so the logical negation, negation false is equal to true. It can also be used with if statement, while, and as well as for loop. And the next one, $a less than 20 or $b greater than 20. Okay, any one of the one can be true. If $a less than 10 be true, the or $b greater than 100 is false. Any one of the true, then only the or condition can be true. But coming to the end condition, you are checking the logical validity of the two operands, $a less than 20 and $b greater than 10. Both both conditions must be true in the end, like C. Okay, both conditions must be true, then end must be true, end will be true, and both conditions given, any one of the condition will be true, then R will be true, like that. Okay, so if both of the operands are true, then only the condition will be true. Here either of the condition will be true. Here negation false is equal to true. Similarly, negation true is equal to false. Like that, in the C programming language, how can we implement Boolean operators? Here also we can implement the same kind Boolean operators. Okay, and next we are going to check the string operators. These operators are applicable on string variables. Okay, so equal to checks the value of two operands are equal or not. $a equals to $b. Okay, not only string variables, we can use these numerical operators also. If $a value is equal to 4, $b is equal to 4, both are same value, $a equal to $b, then this condition will be true. If a is 5, b is 4, then it is not true. Okay, so checks the value of two operands are equal or not. Not equal, both are not equal or not. And as well as 0, checks if the given string, these can be applicable on all the string variables. Okay, so if you give the numerical variable as a string variable, then only it can applicable, but not the numerical variables. Okay, check if the given string operand is size is 0. If it is 0 length, then it returns true. $0 okay, so hyphen n, what is the hyphen n? Non-zero. Checks the given string operand size is non-zero. Hyphen n $a is not false, that means non-zero. Given string operand size is non-zero. Okay, and similarly str, check if str is not the empty string, $a is equal to empty string or not. These are the some different kind of the operators. Checking the validity of the two strings, both are equal or not, by using $a equal to $b. Checking the validity of the string not equal to, both are not, one is not equal to another, but then only it will be true, not equal operator. Hyphen z, 0, the given string operand is 0 or not. Okay, so if it is 0, it is true. If it is non-zero, then it is false. In the same manner, non-zero can be represented as hyphen n. Hyphen n $a is the value of the string. If it is non-zero, it returns true, else it is false. In the same manner, str, okay, $a, so it is not the empty string. If it is not an empty string, then what it will returns, if it is empty only, then it returns false. If it is not empty, then it returns true. Like that, we are having Boolean operators, arithmetic operators, and as well as relational operators, all these things. In the coming video session, we discuss about the file test operators. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Watch all the playlist of the Linux programming. Thank you for watching.